How's it going, guys? So today I didn't get to work literally the whole day. My wife was working all morning, and she got out around a couple hours, maybe like an hour ago, but she drives an hour to work. So she just got home, and yeah, so I was with the kids because the kids are so sick, so I cannot take them to daycare. So I was taking care of them. I was just waiting for her to come back. I guess her job took longer than expected or whatever. Or, I mean, she didn't start till 12, but I was with the kids. I don't know, she was grocery shopping, whatever she was doing. She did 12 to like 6 to 7-ish, I don't know. She made like $400 something. I know that this is not about what she does, but I'm gonna put what she made here. I will request for her to send that to me. But right now, I just started at like around 8:13 p.m. So I only have like 2 hours, not even an hour and a half to make money. And so my family, they all do Spark. I got them all to do it because it's really good money. And my brother, my sister, and my dad, they all do it. They were working this morning, and then I guess Spark had a glitch, so it's perfect that I didn't go to work regardless, because I guess it wasn't really working or whatnot. Like, and when it doesn't work, when it glitches, it keeps surging. Like they want you to request to pick up the order. The orders keep going up and up and up and up. So I don't know. I guess like some of them like were glitching. Some orders are there who are not actually there, and but then some orders are. You just gotta be smart, and you gotta be able to like know which ones are really there, which ones are not. I've been doing this for a while now, so I think I know how to like differentiate. I hope I'm right. But long story short, right now I just turned my app on. I got an order, and usually when it's surging that bad, they give you an order, and you get to choose another order waiting for you to, once you deliver this order, you already have an order waiting, so you don't have to wait and pick and like, oh, I want to, like, can I get another good one? So I got a $36 and a couple cents order, and waiting after that I have a $32 order. I'm gonna put them both right here, and it's just amazing. Like, I just started, and I might be able to touch in 2 hours. I might be able to touch around $100. I know I can do it. This two orders would be taking me like 69-ish, almost $70. So one more order after I finish these 2 orders, hopefully I can do it within the hour mark, would set me up for really good. And if I finish the day at $100, that's amazing. Like I would still be on rate because I had a really good day yesterday, and I'm barely working any hours, guys. I will show you guys at the end of the week by Sunday how many hours I worked this week, which was from the 3rd to whatever Sunday is. If today is 7th to the 9th, and then I will show you guys how much I've made. I will also break down how much I've made this past 7 days, and I will put it here. And I'll tell you guys if I'm on rate, if I'm not on rate. It all depends how I do right now, because I know I did not work day 4, and I'm barely working right now, day 7. And I'm not even worried, because I'm like, I know, and I'll make this challenge for you guys. I know, like, I'll prove it to you guys. I've made, if I really want to and work the whole day, I can make over $500, and this is gonna happen Sunday. On Sunday, I'm gonna work from start to finish, while I do take breaks to eat, because I cannot lose those gains, you know. But no matter, like, I will take quick breaks, munch, and get back on the road, and I will make $500. I'll break the earnings that day too, so you guys can see it's possible. If you're a grinder, you're a hustler, and you really want to make money, and like you don't have many responsibilities, this app is perfect for you. You go out, and you have to have a good region too. I have an amazing region, so you go out there, you work hard, and you make a lot of money. I was doing that. That's literally how I was working it. I was working 2 days full on, non-stop, make $1,000, and then like maybe a $300 day, another $300 day. I was working 4 days, making around $1,700 to $2,000, and then having 3 days off and just relax, focus on my family. But I just realized that was just too much on me, and I would rather just work less hours, more days, because I can work when either my kids are in school. Right now they're just sick, but when they're not, when they're at school, and I still have time to work out, to eat, train MMA, because I do MMA. I just think it works better for me, and it's just and in the weekends I can work when they're like still waking up, because it's the weekend. Like, no one wants to wake up early in the weekend. I do. I like working out early, or like working out late. You know, I just like being active. I can be awake, wake up bright and early, make money, finish by 12, and then be ready to enjoy the whole day with my daughters and my wife and my beautiful dog Bella. But right now I'm going to go pick up this order. It's in Woodstock. Usually Woodstock is the best Walmart when they have glitches or anything. There and that Walmart in Johnsburg, they're really good. I believe they should be getting a raise, but they're really good at keeping their together. You know, they work hard. They're very organized. They make me money. Like sometimes I just want to come here and drop them donuts, drop them pizza. Like I don't know, like they're making me crazy amount of money. I don't have no degree. I only finished high school. I haven't done anything. My life's changed 360. I have 2 little girls, and thankfully for the hard work and the hustle that I put in, I'm not struggling. And this is because I have a never give up attitude. I believe that I could always strive for more, and this is just the beginning. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna go pick it up. I know this is a long video, but I'll give you guys something good. With 2 hours, an hour and a half actually, I will deliver and I will make close to $100 for sure. More than $70, but close to $100. If I touch you $100, if I don't touch you $100, think of a challenge, think of a punishment, and I'll fucking do it. I don't care. Alright guys, I'm back. I dropped out the first order. Everything went well with the first order. That second order that I had, the $32 order waiting for me, I'm telling you, the app is just glitching. It's just not working. I experienced it firsthand right now. I took that order away halfway through me doing the first order, and then it was sending me orders again. So I'm like, well, whatever, I'll take a $28 order. It's taking me, I didn't even realize where the other order was taking me. It was taking me to Youngsburg. So like, it makes more sense to take this order so I can do it quicker. I take this order, but I call just to make sure, because I know the app, like my family warned me, this app is like, it's just not working correctly today. So I called Youngsburg, like, hey, I picked up this order. It's a 1-person order, $28. Can you guys check? You guys have this in your system? Because if not, I'm not gonna drive there, you know, waste my time. They do that. They know who I am because I'm driving almost every day. They check. They say no, it's not in the system. Like I'm sorry. Like, oh, it's okay, whatever. I dropped the order. I called customer support because you get like $2 if you just have an order and it's not there, whatever. I dropped it just to get another order, and I'm like, hey, like this order's have app issues, this and that, whatever. They say they might give me a $2 like just for taking it, like I don't know how you say it, like $2 reward or $2 just for accepting the order for that one order and the other order. I'm gonna recall them once I finish this new order that I got. So I got another order, $36.50. I will put it right here. So I keep grinding. I don't care if the app is like messing up or whatever. Like whatever. I don't think I'm gonna make the $100, but I am making $72 and a couple cents. And that's in an hour and a half, guys, man, because like I literally don't have that much time to work today. An hour and a half, I think that's pretty good, you know, like so I'm gonna drop that off. I'm gonna call Spark right after about the 2 orders that I dropped to make sure they give me the $2 per order that I dropped. So that should be a total of $4 more. So if they're cool, if they give me the money, like if they are loyal to their word, they like actually give me the $2 per order that got dropped, that'll be $4 plus the 72.9. That'll be 76.9 in an hour and a half. I don't want to do the mental math right now, but it sounds to me like that's over 30 something an hour. I will do the math to see how that truly is, and I'll put it right here, and I'll break the earnings once I drop out this order. Let's go.